Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer, Come On Weezy. I've started off with IMK PLEs and this is MJ Lacquer, Come On Weezy. Oh, it's such a pretty acrylic. I'm going to go ahead and cap my free edge first. And then we're going to get into painting this nail. This acrylic's got all kinds of pretty colors in it. It's got different glitters, different, it's got some that are matte and some that are metallic, and it's just a very pretty acrylic. It's got a really good formula on it. Not too thin and not too thick, although I did manage to make a little bit of a mess here. Hi Woody, how you doing? So here's our second coat of Come On Weezy going on the nail. I'm really liking this one. It's just got all kinds of things going on. Got Woody back out here again. I am going to use the American Classics Jealous to kind of smooth this one out and kind of help level it a little bit before I do any more to it, any other top coats or anything. The American Classics Jealous is found at Sally's, and it is a really thick top coat, but it's not fast dry top coat. I'll top it all off with the Pro FX Quick Dry, because this one is fast drying. Look how pretty that is. It's like party on the nails. So here is a swatch photo of it on its own. And I'll be using Messy Mansion 20 today, one of my favorite plates, and Moonflower polish called Celine. Very pretty. Got my Conad stamper and my Beauty Big Bang scraper out. So we're going to go ahead and stamp some of these nails. This is one of my favorite images. This is why I bought the plate right here. And it's definitely a favorite. So I'm going to put this image on my thumb, my middle nail, and my ring fingernail. I'm not going to do all of them today. I'm going to just do the 3. I'm cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller. And this plate is getting cleaned with pure acetone. Alrighty. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of the excess off my skin. Sorry I'm out of frame there. Oh, I lied. I've changed my mind. I'm going to put this little beauty flower on the other 2 nails. Couldn't help myself. I'm a stamping junkie. I am going to put it over in the corners though, so that there's still a lot of the nail polish still showing. Some of that Come On Weezy, so you can still see how pretty it is. Pick that image up, ploop, and then into the corner we go. So there you go. I'll be using the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat over the top of this, and once it's dry I am going to do my other top coat, which is Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. That is our top coat for the day. Very nice top coat. So I'm capping my free edge. I'm going to get Woody back out here because I have managed to make a mess again. There we have it. Here's my manicure in motion. I do have a swatch photo coming up here soon. I will have a link for MJ Lacquer down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this manicure. And I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.